Hello everyone and welcome to another Customer Service Champions training video. My name is Tal Schnell. I'm your customer service coach, speaker, and mentor. I'm really excited to share with you a topic that's been on many managers' mind. If you're working in the service industry, you definitely want to tune into this video because this video will add value to your day. Many of us are trying to balance different things, and the question that's been asked was, how do you stay close to your customers and clients? All of us are working busier schedules. We're trying to put more time in our business. We're trying to juggle the balls up in the air and see what comes out because all of us are committed to excellence, and we're saying those things, but the reality is that all of us as leaders, we really model the behavior that we want to see in our teams, in our culture. If this is really meaningful to you and you're really leading with purpose and pursuing excellence in your organization, then this video is for you. This video is going to give you some ideas on how to, being intentional is not enough, but you've got to take action in order for you to stay close to your customers more than any other time. In recent videos, I shared with you some of the ideas that I gave to the airlines executives, and this was something that inspired me about Richard Branson, was how close he stayed to the customers in the airline business, because what he did is he's basically got on different flights, staying close to their customer, getting their feedback and the employees' feedback. He had a little bit of a system in place where he would actually jot down the feedback, the observations, the experiences of the customers, the passengers, and also the employee experience in the same way, and then thought about how he can improve and take his company to deliver exceptional service with his airline. Today's video is about sharing some practices with you that I've learned in the hotel business on how to stay close to the customer. Every day is an opportunity to stay close to your customers and connect with them and creating loyalty. One of the best things that you can do as a leader is simply get out of your office. You cannot lead with a remote control. You cannot lead from your office. So I say this to all leaders: be a hands-on type of a leader that gets out there, who has the opportunity to capture real-time feedback from your customers and your employees. And this is what this video is about. Let me share with you 4 strategies that you can do so. They're simple strategies that you can implement today in your business, and I'm really excited to share them with you. Number 1 is being visible. Many of you have heard about the term management by walking around. It is from Tom Peters in their book Search of Excellence, and they took companies that are technology companies. Think about it, technology companies, you're thinking someone just in front of a computer all day long. But this idea of management walking around came from Hewlett-Packard, about the culture that was committed to, in some way, informal way of connecting with their employees. Leaders are connecting with their employees in their organization and their customers. The idea here is for you to get out and about and connect and engage with customers and employees in your business. When you're doing that, it is very, very valuable for you as a leader. Most leaders are not doing that because they're either afraid of the feedback they're going to get, they're not willing to listen, or they're busy doing other things. Well, all of us are busy, but what you're missing there is that customer service, as I say in many of my videos, customer service is a competitive advantage nowadays. So by being in your office and not being connected, maybe you're sitting in several meetings, by not connecting to the customer, you're missing the most important part, and it is the face-to-face interaction. Or maybe you're virtually connecting to that customer, finding out what's on their mind, and really take the time to be in a listening mode more than a talking mode, because that way you're getting a lot of feedback, a lot of data. And I know that many people are looking at their metrics and their performance, but also you got to get some real-time feedback so you can get the data that you need in order to improve that customer experience each and every day. And also it gives you the opportunity to find out how your employees are serving that customer, both from a positive perspective and also from a way that can improve the experience as well. Number two is engaging with loyal and new customers. I wanted to share with you something that's really important that I think it's taken for granted. And what it is that we assume and we take for granted our customers. We think they're going to come in and day out, and they're going to purchase the product or service. Well, I'm here to share with you that it should never be taken for granted. As your leadership growth here is on the line, and what I'm saying here is if you want your business to grow, you really got to pay attention to your current customers and new customers and finding out by engaging with them more about that experience that they're getting for the first time in your business, and then as consistently as they get in your business. Many of us are representing our business. Many of us are the brand ambassadors. Well, if we are the brand ambassadors, we have to be out there with our team. We have to model the way. We have to show the way. And we are part of that brand marketing that's out there by our own leadership. So I challenge you to do more of that. I challenge you to get out more and share your message of your brand, share the purpose and share the values, and that's how the brand leadership grows. Number three is supporting and coaching your team. This is something that all of us can get better at. You know, all of us are can create this dialogue and support to our team and help them in the moments that they need it most. Now, it's not enough to model the way and show the way, but it's also important to support and see where your help is needed in order to serve your internal customers. So by being the hands-on manager, being the hands-on type of a leader, you've got to support your team. You've got to help them grow. You got to help them become better in serving that customer. And that's number three. Number four is about sharing positive, inspiring examples of customer service heroes when you see them on the front line. Now, what I'm saying here is a great idea when you're doing your service huddles in your business. Share those examples. Share examples of positive, inspiring stories about how someone went above and beyond to deliver exceptional service. People love that. People can connect with that. People are emotional being about that, and this is something that's very, very important for your business. When you do so, you're sharing the correct values and behaviors that show up in the performance of those customer service heroes that can speak louder than the words. So I hope this video gave you some ideas on how you can practice and model that, because a lot of it is not just with your own intentional type of leadership there. You really got to take action and model the way through these. And those are simple practices. They're not difficult to do. But yes, you got to find time in your day to make the time for your customers, because your customers are seeing that you're dedicated, committed to that vision and purpose, and that's how they will continue to come to your business and continue to be part of their relationship. So all of us have the power to create those relationships, but consistently adding value to that relationship is the key difference in order to win in the marketplace. Again, I thank you so much for watching these videos, and we'll have a new topic on the next one. Please share with me your feedback and your thoughts about those videos, and most importantly, how can I add value to your business today? I love to hear from you. Take care, and we'll see you on the next training video.